Before you view our video, please take a few moments to subscribe our Better Food and Health Ideas channel by clicking subscribe button and tap a bell icon. So, you are a first person to know when we are post our new video. People always say that a lifestyle change needs to be made in order to lose the weight and keep it off. We are also told that to lose weight we need to eat healthier and work out regularly. Well, it's true, and in this video, we'll count down the top foods women should eat when they are trying to lose weight. 1. Cinnamon. Researchers at the University of Michigan have found that cinnamaldehyde, which is an essential oil in cinnamon, activates thermogenesis. Thermogenesis is a metabolic bodily process that helps burn calories and produce heat. So if you add some cinnamon to your oatmeal in the morning, you are literally going to be burning fat cells. 2. Apples and pears. Research which was posted on the U.S. National Library of Medicine in 2003 stated the results of a study by the State University of Stanford on a correlation between apples, pears, and weight loss. Women were instructed to eat apples, pears, or oatmeal cookies 3 times a day. After 12 weeks, the group that had a fruit supplement lost more weight and had a greater decrease in blood glucose than the group that ate the oatmeal cookies. 3. Chicken. A 2013 study in the medical journal Obesity found that boosting dietary protein decreases total body fat and abdominal fat and helps increase lean body mass and your body's energy expenditure during periods of weight maintenance and weight loss. 4. Avocados. A study published in the journal Internal Medicine Review found that avocados can help people lose weight for many reasons. The reason for this weight loss is because avocados are rich in many nutrients that help with higher intakes of fiber, healthy fats, vitamins E and C, folate, magnesium, copper and potassium. 5. Cayenne pepper. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition performed a study that found that daily consumption of one of the compounds found in pepper speeds up abdominal fat loss. It does this by boosting the body's ability to convert food into energy. Next time you are cooking, add some cayenne pepper to spice up some meat or vegetarian dishes. 6. Salmon. A 2015 study from Santa Barbara University found that salmon helps your body transform fatty white fat cells into fat-burning beige cells. Salmon helps build muscle when following a steady workout routine. It also contains the right types of fats, such as omega-3s, which helps your body burn more fat. 7. Citrus fruits. According to a study done in 2018 by the American Chemical Society, citrus fruits can prevent obesity-related heart disease, diabetes, and liver disease. One way to get more citrus in your diet is by adding them to your water. 8. Walnuts. We have known for a while that eating nuts is good for you, but now we know which ones are the best to eat. A study in the journal Diabetes, Obesity, and Metabolism found that walnuts, in particular, contain an ingredient that can satisfy your appetite, making you feel fuller for longer. This will cause you eat less. 9. Popcorn. The University of Stanford performed a study that found that popcorn contains large amounts of polyphenols. Polyphenols are linked to many health benefits such as improved digestion and better blood circulation. If you don't add any salt, butter, or oil, and if you air pop your popcorn, this can be a great healthy snack to help you lose weight. 10. Berries. Scientists at Harvard University found in 2018 that increasing the daily intake of berries, such as blueberries and strawberries, can help people lose weight for the long term. It is said that the reason for this is because berries have high amounts of flavonoids, which have been linked to weight loss. 11. Whole grains. A Yale University study proved that people who eat 3 or more daily servings of whole grains such as oatmeal had 15% less belly fat than people who ate the same amount of white carbs. This is said to be because whole grains are higher in fiber, which keeps you full for longer. I hope you learned something new today. If you like our video, please give us a thumb up and share it with your friends. More tips, please subscribe Better Food and Health Ideas channel. Please also check out the Smoothie Detox Challenge link below, the link also inside our description area.